Hi, welcome to another if function in Excel lesson. All right, so today we'll be looking at the names, the cars, best car color, and then we want to find out what the class of people who have these cars are like. All right, so let's say we want to write that um this some car owners will be wealthy and why some can be middle class, right? So let me use the word middle class. So in this lesson, we want to find out which car owners are wealthy and which are middle class. So we'll be using the if function. Let's say if, all right. So the logic test will be if such car owner has cars greater than five. So I shall assume if you have more than five cars that you are wealthy, right? So I'll type wealthy, right? So if you have less than five cars, then it should be middle class, right? It should be middle class. So then close the brackets. Oh, that was a mistake in the formula here. All right, it should be one and not two. I'm seeing another mistake. I didn't cover my brackets equally. Sometimes even the best make some mistakes. So yeah, we get it right now. So we have the middle class. If you try to fill it in, so as you can see that um this person who had more than five cars, which says eight is wealthy. More than five cars, which is six, is also wealthy. All right. Then you can see that one, three, four are middle class. All right. So we'll come back to this again and talk about flashy cars. So we want to try the if and function. All right. So we'll be saying if a condition is met, you can say that they have a flashy car they have they have good cars, right? So let's try the if and function. We use the word if again, and this time we introduce our and function to get our logic. All right. So we want to say again if we have more than five cars, comma, that's the first logic. I want to say if our best car color is gold. So I want to assume that gold is a flashy car, depending on what you want, right? So if if the two conditions are met, gold and greater than five cars, then we'll say that such cars are either flashy or they are good, right? You can have a pretty good car, you can have a flashy car. So close with a simple bracket, right? Yeah. So here, this he has an ash color car, so I can say it's a good car, right? You have a black car, it's a good car. A brown, but you have a gold car is flashy, right? Have a white car, it's a pretty good car. So with this simple condition, okay, you can look at the formula again. Put in the if function first, and then use the and function before you introduce your logic. Then use what you want if social condition is met, which is flashing, or if it's not yet met, then it's good. All right, very simple, straightforward, and so pretty, right? So I'll be back next time. See you on the next one.